Hi, this is Imran Ahmed, and here in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can achieve higher grades in exams. This is very important. Remember how you can achieve higher grades in exams. So if you are worried about your exams, as you know, GCSE exams are just around the corner. A-level exams are coming soon as well. IB exams, they are just around the corner as well. And also, after few months, some children, they are appearing for 11 plus exam as well. So what you have to do is you have to watch this video till end, so you will get a wonderful idea that how you can get higher grades in exam and how you can pass your exams with phenomenal grades. And you know what is that formula? The formula is practice. So remember, for example, the first thing which students lack is, sometimes students, they have got wonderful knowledge, they know about the topic, they know how to do the paper, but their handwriting is not good. And as you know that I am a teacher and I've been teaching for the last 18 years. And what I have noticed that sometimes children have got really good knowledge, but their handwriting is not that good. So what I will recommend you that definitely improve your handwriting. Your handwriting is the first thing which will reveal impression on the examiner. It is exactly the same thing when you see someone new, the first impression the other person is gonna get about you is from your dress, how you are dressed up. So this is very important that you need to be very good in handwriting. And if you believe that your handwriting is not good, what I will recommend you, definitely practice it. Practice it like 30 minutes every day extra, half an hour, 1 minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, it depends. So more you will practice, you will be able to improve your handwriting really well. And it's not about the age, don't think that, oh, I am 18 years old or I'm 20 years old, why should I improve my handwriting? Definitely, if you think that your handwriting is a problem, so definitely you should improve your handwriting. And how you can do it? Only with the practice. Another thing which students sometimes lack is like presentation skills. When it comes to the exam, they forget and they don't know how to attempt the paper, how to present the paper. So this is very important. What you have to do is practice more and more. Download practice papers, right? Download the practice papers are almost freely available from the exam board's website, and also you can buy them from Amazon or eBay or from any other website, and you try to do as many practice papers as possible. And practice them. Just practice them every day. And you know what? Imagine if you're doing one practice paper every day for maths, for example. So within a month, you will be able to finish 30 practice papers. You know what it is? Then I'm sure you will be able to attempt your exam in a really good way and you will be able to achieve higher grades in your exam. So this is very important. Second thing which is very important is, for example, if you believe that you are not very good at essay writing skills, so what you have to do is practice it. Write essay every day. Every day or every second day, write essays as much as you can. What I ask my students is, I ask almost all of my students to write a book. Yes, my students are authors now, and lots of them, they are still becoming author, and so many of them, they are published authors. Their books are on Amazon. If you want to know more about becoming an author of a book, you can obviously contact me. I've entered my phone number here in the description. My students have written a book and I can help you in becoming an author of a book within 21 days. Another technique for the exam, which is very important. For example, if you believe, like in mathematics, for example, you believe that you are not very good in algebra or you are not very good in science, or maybe in number section or in trigonometry or even different subjects such as science, geography, history. So what you have to do is practice it. All right, practice it, do it more. Okay, and what you can do is you can precise your you precise your research. For example, within maths, for example, if you struggle with trigonometry, so just do extra trigonometry questions. Practice them, and within few days you will be very comfortable in trigonometry questions, right? And remember, whenever you are practicing from the practice papers, just do lots of practice paper. Always time yourself. Always, lock yourself in a room and believe and think that you are actually in the real exam condition, right? And so, which means you have to time yourself as well, right? For example, there's a 90 minutes of time to do some paper. So make sure you time yourself, and then try to figure out what weaknesses you have got. For example, maybe you were not very good with the vocabulary, or you were not very good with the non-verbal or verbal reasoning, or maybe trigonometry, whatever the topic it is. So just then practice that topic more and more and more. Do not ignore that. What we do it, and most other students know, the topic which they struggle with, they just give up. They say, okay, just leave it, we'll do it towards the exam. Don't do that. Just practice bit more. This one technique can help you in achieving higher grades in exam. Another very important thing, which is confidence. Sometimes because of the peer pressure and pressure from the parents, from the family, from friends, what happens? Students, they become worried about the exam, and they become very anxious, and and they lose confidence. Remember, in order to build the confidence, what is that technique? Practice papers. So you have to do so many practice papers before the actual exam, that when you will go for the actual exam, you will think in your mind, oh, this is just another test, the one you have done like so many of them before, and then you will feel very confident. Time management. Remember, sometimes students struggle with time management. They can't finish the whole paper in time. So remember how you can do it. Practice, practice, practice. So just practice. Try to finish your work within time. Always time yourself when you are doing practice papers, right? Sometimes students, they have got memory problem. They forget. They think that we will learn something, and then we forget. So how you can overcome on that thing as well? With the practice. So remember, practice, practice, practice. Do the same thing over and over and over again, and then you will be fine, right? Any topic you get stuck with, but don't ignore that topic. This is a very common thing that students sometimes they ignore that topic. So if you want to achieve higher grades in the exam, so remember to use this technique. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.